make the changes around it. I will take some custom shapes. There is a custom shape. Add a paint into the selected shape. Again, try to change the color here. Paint over it. So let's make the change again. We will take a different color. So add paint into the third one. Take the similar shape here. Keep editing the new designs. Explore the more options we are finding there. Thank you for watching.